Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 1 matrices and determinants. We are going to see two important nodes and the property using two examples. Okay, here the first important node they are given as two determinants, they are adding and they are giving a right hand side a determinant and they are stating it is equal. Similarly, the same values they have given in determinants and they are telling it is not equal. So this is matrix and this is determinant. We will verify whether they are equal. Okay, so for the first one we are going to add the corresponding. Before going to addition, see this is also 2 cross 2, this is also 2 cross 2. Only when the orders are same you can add them up. So corresponding element you are going to add 3 plus 1, 2 plus 6, 4 plus 7 and 5 plus 8. Okay, your answer is going to be 4, 8, 11, 13. This is going to be your LHS. So this is automatically you are getting in the answer as RHS. So this is correct. Now coming to the second portion, here they are given as determinants. So when determinant is concerned, we have to evaluate each determinant and then only you can do the addition. Okay, so first LHS we are going to do. When you multiply this, evaluate this, 3 into 5, 15 minus 8 plus 8 minus 42. So this is going to be 7 and greater number minus, so minus, when you subtract 8 from this is going to be 34. So your answer is going to be from 34, when you subtract 7 it is going to be minus 27. This is LHS answer. Now let us see what happens to our RHS. So again you are going to evaluate this, 4 into 13, 52 minus 88, that is going to be again 8 minus 5, 30, isn't it? Minus 36. So LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore what they have given is correct. So the values may be same, but you should consider whether this is a matrix or a determinant. So these type of problems you will get in the 1 mark or 2 mark. You have to verify. So be careful and see whether when seeing the values they are same, but they will not be equal. Instead of giving not equal to, they may give it as equal to, say true or false, like that, something like that. Okay, now we shall go into the next note. The value of the determinant of triangular matrix is equal to the product of the main diagonal elements. What is a triangular matrix? Here they have given of order 3 cross 3. Okay, main diagonal is this one. Okay, so below the diagonal you have got a triangle of zeros. When you get below the diagonal zeros, this is called as triangular matrix. So what are we going to apply here? Since this is a triangular matrix, you need not evaluate using the minus as you have done in previous examples. Okay, so we are just going to multiply the diagonal. What are the diagonal elements? X minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3 equal to 0. Since they are given as factors, we can directly write the answer as x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. So the values you can directly write the answers since they are factors. Okay, otherwise you have to multiply and give the answer. So this is 1.7. Now coming to the next example, 1.8. If you see, here you are going to apply property number 3. What is property number 3? If the determinant has two identical rows or columns, then the value of the determinant is 0. So we are going to see what happens. Now when you consider this determinant, here you see this is multiple of this is multiple of this and this is also multiple of this, but it is multiplied by 6th row into 6 into 6 into 6. So what is common in the second row? 6. So in this determinant we are going to take out 6 outside and we are going to write the balance. Okay, 3 and 6. Okay, so each element is multiplied by 6. So the third row remains the same. Okay, third row is remaining the same. Now you consider this is as a stated in property number 3. So two rows or columns are identical. Here your answer you can give it into 0, which is equal to 0, since which two rows are identical? R2 and R3 are identical. So you have to state the reason why you have written it as 0, why the determinant value is 0, since R2 and R3 are identical. Thank you.